Well, she's got some crazy hair.
This is Daddy's one.
That's Daddy's bed?
That's Daddy's bed. He's gonna sleep up here.
Okay. Is that his bedroom?
Yeah, that's his bedroom. That's his bedroom. Good night.
Good night, Daddy.
Daddy.
Good night, Daddy.
I got to turn Daddy's seat.
You gotta turn Daddy's light out.
I do. I do. He's gonna find out for me.
What's she doing, buddy?